In the vibrant atmosphere of a sunlit kitchen, a bowl brimming with fresh kiwis sits enticingly on the counter. As the host greets viewers with a warm smile, they're invited into the delightful world of kiwis, a revelation not just in taste but in health benefits. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of kiwis. So grab a kiwi and how they can be your secret weapon for digestion and weight management. Pairs with these words, the journey begins into the heart of this small yet powerful fruit. The scene shifts to a close-up of a kiwi being carefully sliced in half. The host shares the nutritional secrets, revealing its vibrant green interior. First off, let's talk about what makes kiwis so special. These little green fruits aren't just delicious. They're packed with nutrients. A typical kiwi is rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, and a good source of dietary fiber. The nutrient-packed profile of the kiwi is vividly brought to life with on-screen graphics. The focus turns to the digestive benefits, vitamin C and vitamin K content. As the camera zooms into a beautifully set kitchen table, adorned with a bowl of yogurt topped with chopped kiwi, dietary fiber is important for maintaining a healthy digestive system. The fiber in kiwis plays a key role. It adds bulk to your stool and helps it pass through your intestines smoothly, reducing the risk of constipation. This simple addition to yogurt not only enhances its flavor but also elevates its fiber content, emphasizing the weight management benefits of breakfast or snack. Feeling fuller means you're less likely to snack on unhealthy foods throughout the day, which can aid in weight management. A graphical illustration underscores how fiber aids in curbing hunger. This insight provides a compelling that underscores the link to incorporate more fiber intake like kiwi and maintaining a healthy weight. The host reveals another astounding feature. Kiwis also contain an enzyme called actinidin, which can help break down proteins in your diet. This can enhance digestion further, making sure your body absorbs nutrients efficiently. This tiny, unassuming fruit proves to be a digestion powerhouse, capable of optimizing nutrient intake. Transitioning to the next segment, the host stands beside a blender ready with kiwi, spinach, banana, and nutritious smoothie recipe that leverages kiwis for both digestion and weight management. We're going to blend kiwi, spinach, banana, and a splash of almond milk. And the process is demonstrated, culminating in a vibrant green smoothie being poured into a glass. This concoction, low in calories but rich in nutrients, exemplifies how a mix of fiber and essential vitamins finally the camera returns to the kitchen counter while promoting digestive an array of colorful fruits. While kiwi is great for digestion and weight management, incorporating a variety of fruits and vegetables into your fresh produce on display will provide the best outcomes for the importance of a varied diet. Concluding with a kiwi in one hand and a scale in the other, the host reinforces the core message. So whether you're looking to boost your digestion or manage your weight, try adding them to your meals and see a delicious and nutritious choice. The invitation is clear and appetizing. Kiwis are worth every bite,